What up? What up? What up? What up? How you guys doing? How's it going out there? Sorry, I'm a little, I'm a little distracted over here. My friend's telling me how he started taking testosterone by a doctor, and then all of his hair's falling out. Yo, yo, yo. Who's out here? Who's out here? Yash, Pharaoh, Tick Daddy, Money, Promoter, Anonymous Giraffe, TJP, Dips and Peaks, Jay, Mr. Terp Derp, Tommy Stark, V33. I think I said what up to you already. Did I? I don't remember. Nope. There you are. Dave. Going. Good night, TJP. Good night. Indian Sunburn. Adam B. What up? Bacon. Just a Trader. Chart Dad. Za. John Q. Hot Shot. Yeah, I shaved before. I went in the sauna after I got out of the stream, got off the stream, went in the sauna here in my garage, and then I shaved and showered. Freeper. Nah, I just hopped on. Just hopped on. Let me just make sure I'm logged into all my fucking accounts. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Dave, it's a good one. I like it too. Brandy. What's up? What's up? All right. Let me turn my screen on. Let me turn the screen on. All right. So here's what I did so far. I got a flip day in on these trade days. These are past. So I don't care that I lost money. I just wanted to be in a trade for a little bit. And I had a take profit and a stop loss. You know what's funny though? My take profit, hold on, let me get rid of these. Even though we had, look at this bounce though. Damn. This is a 786 right here. We fucking bounced pretty hard. We bounced from 54. We bounced like 70 points. But I was in a short right here, which is funny. And I got stopped out somewhere around here. I don't know where it is. It was in micros. Hold on. I think this is in minis. In micros. Literally, it doesn't matter because I just needed to not lose more than $110. But I was in short right here. I get stopped out on this pop, and then we fucking dump. And I had longs in my take profit trader account. And all I needed to do was get a flip day in my take profit trader accounts because I'm over the target. And I found myself down with one micro. I was down like fucking this drop right here in two candles, 174 almost 100 points. I was down like $150 for a fleeting moment, but it didn't matter. We got the job done. So these are on day 3. These are on day 3, right? I'm over the target. I'm good on consistency. Just need 2 more flip days. So I'll get one in on Friday. That'll be day 4. Monday will be day 5 with the Take Profit Traders, and then we'll see if we can fucking get the job done and get some payouts. Unlike the last time. These are on day 5 right now. So on Friday, I will have 3 sim-funded trade day, end of day trailing. Usually I do intraday, but let's see how I could do with end of day trailing with these trade days. So that's what I did so far there. We got day 5 locked. We got day 3 locked. Let me just make sure I don't have any open trades, any open orders. I know I don't, but I just like to make sure since I'm in here, right? Since I'm in here. Options Exchange, what up? Amorpha T, Stevie J. What up? I'm good here. Making sure. And then we have Lucid. All I needed coming into today was just 2 more $150 days, and I could lock in a max payout on 4 accounts, which would mean, because they're funded flexes, which would mean after fees, that's $7,200 in the bank. So was I able to do it? Oh, I did. Oh, yeah, baby. You know what else is cool about these accounts? Like if I get another, let's just say another $150, I mean, I'm going to have like $2,400 of, I'm going to have at least $2,400 in the account. And to get back to 4,000, I'll just need 1,600. How hard can it be? But I don't want to put the cart before the horse. I still need 1 more day of $150 or more. And then this one right here, number 17, is the one I had to replace because I kind of accidentally blew the other one. But we got it. We got the job done. We got it passed, and I'm on day 3 now. I'm on day 3 with number 17, and I'm at 1,539. So if all I did was get $150 on the last 2 days with those 2, with that one, we're talking like a $900 payout and a decent amount of drawdown left after the fact. iTrade, what up? Intraday trailing is harder. That's what Take Profit Trader Pro accounts are. That's what Apex accounts were. Now you have the option with Apex to do intraday or end of day. But with trade day is basically the same thing as Take Profit Trader, with the exception that you can choose to have end of day accounts, which means they would be funded end of day as well. If you were to pass, you have the option. You could do intraday, end of day, or static. Whatever you get on the eval side will be the same, will be what you get on the funded side if you're able to pass. Cash outland for the legacies, man. My legacies are dropping like flies. I'm down to 3 legacy accounts. I really haven't been trading that good over the last week. This war shit, I don't know. I just haven't been trading good. I've been feeling a little on the edge. It's because I have to trade the NQ because I can't trade gold. I don't know why. I just feel like maybe I'm putting some more pressure on myself. Got to live up to what I've been doing over the last few months or something. I don't know what it is. I mean, with all that said, if I'm able to get this $150 day in on all 4 of these for Friday session, I will be getting out of the first week of March. The first week of March, just under $12,000 in payouts. So it's not the end of the world. And that's if Apex approves my $729 payout that's been pending since last week. I mean, let's look at the calendar. How many days of trading can we do? 5, 10, 15, 20. 22 trading days. So it's just interesting. Just thinking out loud. So You know what's crazy about this right here, this drop? Remember when the market opened and NQ was kind of just grinding up and all of a sudden it went boing and exploded up here? Check this out. Let me go to the 4 hour. So you got the high from last Wednesday. You got this low from Tuesday. We came up and sure enough, here's the high, here's the low. And what did we reject off of? The 786. Like literally. Look at that. Let me see if I can zoom in. Look at that right there. We, we missed it. What did we miss it by 2 points by exactly touching it? But we hit that shit, and then we fucking dumped. We dumped from 250 down to we dumped 200 over 200 ticks off of that rejection. You see, guys, and then watch this. Well, I don't know if it's going to work. It was easier to see on the 1 minute chart. Actually, no. I mean, this right here was about the 786 with this being the low. I thought for sure that after breaking out of the right here was about the 786. If I expand this a little bit, watch this. I forgot it went down lower. Right here, we bounced off of that the first time. Then we made lower low. Went lower, and I thought for sure, like when we broke this out of this golden shower pocket, that we were going to go below 25,000, and it actually held up at 25,044, and then we bounced from there. Like 80 points. Now we're working our way down. What's interesting about this spot right here now is if I draw this, we are basically right at almost at the 786 from this low to this high. And then if you treat it, and if you go by here right now, this low and this high, we're right at the 786, but we just went below it. I think this is the better spot. I don't know if it's going to hold here. Let me I haven't traded these fucking accounts yet at all. I had 2 trading days go by and I haven't traded them yet. Here, let's fucking trade them right now. Am I going to get filled? Or am I going to get fucking missed? Am I going to just miss getting filled?
Order filled.
Okay, we're in. Let's see what happens. Let me put a stop in place in case it fucking breaks this. Now, with these new Apex, these are 50Ks. The new ones, I need at least $200 for it to count as a trading day. There's no more flip days. You don't have to worry about that shit. And I need a lot more than $200 anyway in any given day. If I want to get paid in 5 days, I need to kind of run them up to at least 2,600. You need like $520 a day minimum to get a $500 payout. To get a max payout, which is 3,600 the first time through, the first payout is 3,600. If I were to do it in 5 days, I would need to average $720 a day. Does this have 35 points in it? 61. It might. I don't know though. I probably, who knows? I'm probably gonna get stopped out. I always feel like I'm gonna get fucked. Let's see here. It's the NQ, so the NQ likes to fuck us over. But right here, I mean, if this was to play out and this we were gonna bounce here and go on a little run because we just bounced off the 786 from this low, the low a day, to this high when we bounce and then we pull back. I mean, my take profit's not even. It's just before the 618, which is I like that spot. Just ain't right. Mwah. Yeah, it's DBJ, man. It kind of just sometimes shit like that happens, man. Or like like when you're trading the groups like that and that big of a group, it's always the largest group that you end up like you fuck up trading really bad. Like I don't know about you, but I'm just saying it out loud. Like I couldn't get out of my own way, and I was trading 16 of them that were at like $1,100, and it wasn't like one or two trades; it was a bunch of trades, and I just couldn't get out from under the fucking initial deficit I put myself in. Punisher, what up? We'll see. It may have been a nice entry, but here I am. Here I am. I was down. Let's see if it holds here. I was down for a moment, but I was up as much as $158 and didn't take it because I wanted more. I mean, I thought, we'll see. We'll see. Gian Rich. TJP, maybe they'll let it slide. If you only violated it by $50, I don't know. It could have been for a fleeting moment too, for a split second. You might be okay. Bacon, what up? Cranston. That's my wife said the same shit to me. She's like, "Oh, baby, you looking like fine shit today." Yeah, Stevie J, I know what you mean, man. And it's not like I feel like I'm like this great trader and I'm invincible after being on this crazy run I've been on. I don't know. I think the trading the NQ is wearing on me again. And I'm fucking finding myself being a little bit more careless when I trade the NQ. Because I fucking hate it. There's a reason why I stopped trading it. But I know how to trade the NQ. I'm not trying to learn a new instrument on funded accounts. I don't know. Maybe I should trade crude, but crude's going to be hot right now because of all the shit going on. But crude is fucking scary to fucking trade too. I don't want to fuck with crude. I want to trade gold. I want to trade fucking gold. Look, this shit. I don't know. This shit. Hopefully, this thing kind of establishes a base and then works its way up from there. But I don't know. This could drop and I could get stopped out. And I could see that happening because we're so close to the low a day. I don't know. I'm hoping it doesn't happen. We got the higher low here. We popped. We got the higher low here. Let's see if it stays there, and then we fucking work our way back up. We'll see. Oil micros are easy. I don't know, man. C. Charisse. Jack Boom. What up? See, yeah, ES just made new lows, so isn't the NQ going to follow? So I'm probably going to get stopped out. Makes that $158 look like that was the way to go. I mean, I wouldn't have gone at exactly 158, but I could have taken 120 or some shit if I trailed it tight. So who knows what's going to happen now? We'll see. We shall see. I have my stop in place, so I won't get fucking, get completely fucked. What up, Pawn? Chart Dad. I'd rather just trade one instrument. I'd rather just practice fucking one kick 10,000 times, which it doesn't matter what the instrument is a lot of times because the kick I'm always practicing is trading the Fibonacci retracement in either direction. But I just like trading gold. I'm good at trading gold. And it was before everybody was jumping on it, because we were making new all-time high. Well, gold's been making new all-time highs for like the last 2 years, but I'm saying like when it fucking ran to 5,000 and then a day and a half later it was at 5,600 and then fucking dumped. I was trading gold exclusively way before that happened. But, there we go. Are we good now? See, what's also interesting is the way I have my fib drawn out right now, like this could be the high that it bases it off of. And that's the case, then the 618 is like right up here. I have a feeling like we get into the low 80s. It's going to be, if we get up that far, first of all, you got the lower the V. Is that the lower the VWAP band? Yeah, that's the lower the VWAP band. Oh, never mind. It don't matter. What? It went up to the same spot and rejected? That's funny. I didn't go up any more than I was. I'm telling you, man, I fucking hate the NQ. It is. Well, yeah, here we go. What did I tell you? What did I fucking say? I fucking knew it. Dude. So fucking annoying. The issue with gold now is you got to size down because the range on gold is fucking massive. Almost like just the other day, it was almost 4,000 ticks, almost 400 points. And then yesterday, Wednesday session was like 1,200 ticks or 120 points. Yeah, I'm getting stopped out. Just fucking do it already. Just take me out of my fucking misery. The other issue now with these new Apex accounts is I don't have $2,500 of drawdown. I started with 2,000. So I went up 158. Now I'm going to be down fucking 250 or whatever. So I lost $150 of drawdown. So it's definitely a new fucking challenge. Nah, this shit's going down, I think. Yeah. This is what I'm talking. $158 looks a lot. Looks great now. You know what I'm saying? So I just gotta, it's okay. Is this gonna come all the way back up now? That'd be fucking funny. That'd be rich. I mean, it did go down another. Look, I got out at 48. It went down to fucking 30. It went down another 18 points. So at that point, I could have been down. I'd be down like over $600 if if I didn't get taken out here. But now it's coming back. I think it's going to go lower. I don't know. What do I know? I just lost another trade, so I suck. But I think it's going to go lower. Now, because it's the NQ, like what's been happening to me lately is I'll fucking jump in thinking it's going to go in one direction or another when I should just fucking wait for the next setup. And I've been the NQ brings that shit out in me to like the anxious fucking trader that I used to be that would get me into trouble and blow a lot of accounts. And I don't want to fucking revert back to that. But I think we're going lower. The other thing is if I think we're going lower, it's like, fuck, why not ride it down? But anything could happen. Whoops. Can't fucking see. That's an interesting spot too. Let me go on a larger time frame. 15-minute. So that's just the shit I'm dealing with right now. With all that said, because I didn't get approved on my Apex request from the 23rd until this Monday that just passed, I'm counting that towards this month. And between that and if I could get between that, the 729 that's still pending, and then if I could get one more $150 day in on these, I'll be going into, I'll be 1 week into March and almost at 12,000. So it's not the worst thing in the world. Is this going to hold here? Fuck. That's interesting. It's an interesting spot because I see right here on the 1 minute chart, like a low right here. I could treat that as a low, and then we have the 786 right here. But I don't know. I don't trust that. That's why I fucking had this shit way down here. This is the most fucking, to me, the most appropriate spot. Which prop firms can you still trade gold on? Basically all of them except for Apex. Cleveland, what up? Do I know how to make it scroll like Trade Evade? The best thing you can, hold on, let me log in because I'm logged out right now and I don't have an account to trade in here other than 576, which I'm still pending, so I don't want to touch it. Let me log in real quick. I'll show you now that I'm fucking done. I'm done until I get filled, if it even comes there. So I don't know what screen you're on, but check this shit. What I highly recommend you do is not try to trade from this screen right here. No matter how much you lower the accounts, it's just real fucking tight. So what you want to do is you click on this right here if you haven't yet, and that'll maximize this chart, and it'll only show you the chart. Now, to unlock it, to scroll, you just gotta work these numbers up. You can do the same thing on the other screen too. Just mess around, grab the numbers, the price, the price. This shit did fucking bounce. Are you fucking serious? Grab the price here, move it up and down or up or down, whatever, and then you'll be able to scroll. See? And then down here, if you want to fucking you could zoom in like that or zoom out like this. You're better off zooming out because like when you zoom in, you barely see anything. Like I like going like, I like to see like as much as I can to the left. To the detriment of people watching the stream, but I try to make it as easy for you guys to see it at the same time, but I gotta fucking be comfortable when I'm trading my own fucking accounts that I spend my money on. So it is what it is. But this is a 786 with this fucking thing right here. This right fucking here being a low. That with this being a low, we bounce off this, where we bounce is the 786. Go figure. Now, I don't even know if it's going to come back down here. I think it will. I think the move to the downside will prevail, but I don't know. I'm kind of annoyed right now. It's the first time I traded these accounts, but whatever. What up, Neil? What's good, man? Scalp for the win. What's good? Johnny T. Poison. What do I think about what? Oh, what were you called out a price? Maybe. When we broke all right, so let me go on a different chart, MNQ. So when we broke, so this right here was a 786. When we broke, we popped and then we came down and broke that. I thought right here for sure we were gonna go under 25,000. And I said that in the Discord, like well, a lot of people said, well, that was early today. When did I say it? I just said it before, like an hour ago, maybe an hour and a half ago. Here it is. 2 hours ago, an hour and 40 minutes ago, I said, prepare to go under 25K. So, I mean, I saw it too. We're on the same page. Trading Joe, what up? Yeah, Scout, bro. It's just the market tries your patience. And then, the NQ is a fucking piece of shit. And if you fucking, I feel like that's the only thing I know how to trade other than gold. I guess I could trade ES, but ES, people are like, oh, ES doesn't have as many wicks. I fucking put ES and the NQ side by side, and they look identical. To me, they look the fucking same. See, like this right here, like last night, like this type of shit right here, let's say if it keeps doing this for like the next hour, well, it's not. It broke out. I mean, I don't know. It could go back down, but fuck, man. I would have loved 28 points. Zero Dawn, what up? Isaac, what's good? Yeah, you like that shit? GB, did that help you though, bro? I don't know if you're still here. T Cooper, what up? How do you get to Ozone Park? Just get on 27 and stay on that shit the whole way. It's probably take you the longest, but 27 will become, it's Montauk Highway out by you, and then it becomes Sunrise Highway, then it becomes Conduit, and the Belt Parkway, and then you get off Belt Parkway to get to Ozone. I think you're joking, but I think you know how to do it too, unless you just live out all the way out in Montauk all the time. Chris Long, what's up, man? I didn't see you, bro. Neil, you liking it? Do you like it more than Tradeovate? GMS, what's good? Adam's like never touching that shit. The Google Maps with the prop room space. Joshua, what up? Oh, all right, cool, man. You saw it, GB? Great, man. Great. Awesome. It's almost like, it's like, it's not even continuous auto fit. It just like locks on that shit and you can't do anything. Let's see what happens here. Fucking stupid shit. Actually, I don't want to go down $300 and get filled here. Fuck that. How many points is that from here? That's 100 points from here. Are we even going to drop 100 points? This area might hold, man. I don't fucking know. Damn, bro. I should have just been happy with the $158. I had 2 chances to get out. PX, yeah. Project X is Temu Tradesy. Look at this shit. Look at this shit go. Fuck me, bro. All right, let's redraw some shit. So on a tight level, we're basically right at the 786. Up here. We'll see. Amazing that this held. 25, 59, 34 points. Alfred Montauk, yeah. That shit's out there, bro. It's a fucking ride. Be careful out in Rockaway. Zero Dawn, bro. I grew up in I grew up in Valley Stream, but my grandma lived right on in the apartment complexes on Shorefront Parkway, right off of Beach Channel Drive. You know the train tracks that you drive under on Beach Channel Drive, and then you have Shorefront Parkway. She was on, what was she in the 82nd? She was in the 8200s, I think. So we would go there like every Sunday. It was a sick view though. She was on the 12th floor, the highest one or whatever. How many bedrooms were in that place? I think it was a 3-bedroom basically a 3-bedroom condo. That's just probably worth a fuck ton now, even in Far Rock. And she was facing, you could see the fucking beach from the fucking bedroom, from the bedroom I always would fucking sleep in or whatever. It's fucking beautiful. Obviously, I was young and didn't really appreciate it as much, but it's a fucking primo fucking spot. She had the plastic on the couches and shit. You know that, right? Neil, you like that shit? Carlos. Damn, bro, it's good. Willie, I don't make any of them, bro. I don't make any of these. It's the DGen fam making all these fire ass fucking thumbnails. Super creative. Christind. See, look. Let me go back here. I mean, on this little ass fucking look at that, right? There's a 786 rejection. I don't know if it's going to hold, but I mean, you get a little scalp opportunity with a mini 62. I mean, 12 points. I don't know. It might go down more. I got my order fucking way down here. Like, I might not get filled. I might lose my patience and not fucking wait for that shit to happen. That's why I have orders up here in case we pop a little bit more. We got the lower the VWAP band here. No, look, it's holding. Look at that shit. Amazing. 20 fucking points. I would have been green right now if I fucking took that. If I just had the order there. But why would I do that? Why would I do that? Rank cap. What up? Oh yeah, Zero Dawn. It's not that far from there. It's only a couple of blocks away. Look at that. What a fucking nice drop. $23 points. Of course, I don't get that one. I get filled here, and I could only get fucking 7 or 8 points, 7.5, 7.75 points before it fucking drops and takes me out. Love that shit. What's up, George? Yeah, rank app. It's fucking just flushing. GMS, yeah, no medals with Apex. No medals. I mean, you could like I trade with Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, and Lucid currently. I'm about to be trading with Bullinox again. I just haven't set up my fucking Tradecopia shit yet, but you could trade gold. There's no limitations on gold in Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Bullinox. Trade Day did limit gold. You could trade only. I could trade only 4 micros. That's the most I could trade in Trade Day of gold. And then My Funded Futures. I don't know if they're still limiting it, but you can trade gold with My Funded Futures. Bullinox needs fucking. I heard they're getting Trade Evade, but you know who the fuck knows when that's gonna be. Fresh Meadows, nice. Yeah, I grew up in Valley Stream, right across from the Green Acres Mall, like literally. Everybody drove down my block, went under the fucking train trestle, and crossed over Sunrise Highway to get to the mall. Look at this. This is like a 786 right here. Watch. You see, guys. 707. Sorry, 707. But like, do I want to fucking risk it and play this for a bounce because we just rejected on the shorter time frame here? You think it's just going to keep doing that, or is it going to finally give way in either direction and fucking make a new low, or come and work its way up here? There's a 786. We just barely touched it, just a tip. Is it going to bounce here and fucking go back up? Like, I don't know. I don't trust this shit, especially at this time of night. Look what just happened to me. I just got fucked. Of course, this is a good trade right here. I could have taken, but I didn't. I'm a pussy. Yo, we were Chris Galliano. You probably lived like 10 minutes from me when I lived in Valley Stream. Is this going to hold here? What's gold doing? Gold's working its way back up, huh? So it came up to this 786 and rejected like 200 and almost 300 ticks. Bounced, retested it again, dropped about 130 ticks, and then fucking broke the 786 I had drawn here. I don't know what gold wants to do. What's Zcash doing? I was up as much as 800. I'm up 500 right now on the Zcash. I've been in this trade for a few days, but in the Mexi exchange, but I was up. It was at 251.23 as high as it went. 251.23. I was up as much as $855 and didn't lock it in. Didn't trail or anything. I'm kind of holding for a bigger move up, because we dropped so far down. We dropped a fuck ton. So Zcash is really good with the fibs. Or I go to like the daily on Zcash. And I know you guys aren't really into crypto, but I look for the same shit when I trade crypto that I do when I trade, fucking gold and NASDAQ futures. It just takes a lot longer. So I have our fucking fibs on here. A lot of fucking nice Fibonacci retracement action on crypto. All the good ones, all the big ones. Like Zcash isn't huge, but it fucking popped. It went from like being kind of obscure and not really high volume to fucking exploding to, what did it get up to? 760 just about, 755. And then it was just fibbing all over the place. And we're looking good there. XRP, good on the fibs. Look at this. This is the weekly. So from this last low on the weekly, we're talking fucking October 2024 to the fucking all-time high of 366 or whatever it is back. And that retracement, it came all the way back down to the 786 and bounced off of there. But will it hold there? Who knows? Because there's lower lows for sure, but it's not a bad spot. Same thing with like Bitcoin. Here's the weekly with this as the low right here. We came to the 786 again. Wait, is that the 786? No, this is the 786 right here with this being a low. This is from August of 2024. This low is from fucking November of 2022, down at 15,000 or 16,000. So we're basically at, where are we at? We almost hit the 618 in that regard. It'd be crazy if we got down there. It could happen though, with all this shit going on. Who the fuck knows? But anyway, let's see what's going on here. See, look, I don't know what's gonna happen here. I think it goes lower. So it's just interesting. The same shit that happens like multiple times throughout the day with fucking futures happens with crypto. It takes days. It's so interesting. Neil. He's the best. He's the best at what he does. You know what I mean? He's so good at it. Port Jefferson, huh? Rick E's from Port Jefferson. I was living, I didn't live my whole life in Valley Stream before I moved out to Vegas. I lived in Valley Stream until I was like 21. That was the house I grew up in. And then my mom sold the house, and her and my stepfather bought a house out in Patchogue. So I was in Patchogue for a few years, and then I met my wife. Then we started playing house. We had a place in Ronkonkoma. Then we rented a place. We rented a place in Ronkonkoma for like a year. Then we rented a house in Shirley for like 5 years. We had 3 of our 4 kids there, And then we bought a house in Holtzville and lived there for like 9 or 10 years before we sold and got the fuck out of New York. Literally right before COVID. Right before they rolled that shit out on us, we sold our house and hopped in an RV with our 4 kids and 2 dogs at the time, and drove across the country. And I've been out here for a little over 6 years now. Shirley was crazy, man. Shirley had every fast food joint known that you could fucking find in New York, all in one fucking town, including Roy Rogers. They had like the last ever Roy Rogers. I think it was the first ever Roy Rogers too, if I don't recall. I don't know, but they had like the last standing Roy Rogers down in William Floyd Parkway. You live in Islip and you're from Selden, no doubt, bro. That's fucking cool, man. I love when that happens. Like, that hasn't happened in a while. Enzo, that's funny. My one of my best friends, his name is Vinny, but his parents named him Vincenzo because they're from Italy. But his brother-in-law, his sister married a dude named Enzo. But yeah, like when I first started streaming, like is this really fucking holding here? A lot of people from Long Island were like popping up on my streams, and I bet YouTube did that shit on purpose. So I'm kind of glad that that's happening again because I feel like it hasn't happened in a while. What up, Desmond? Yo, DBT, what's good? Just ain't right. Mwah. Yeah, see, you can only trade with 2 micros of gold. Just ain't right with my fund the futures. You can still trade it. I can't believe this is fucking held. You fucking cocksucker. Oh my god. Kill me, bro. I just didn't trust it. I could have put an order down here. What the fuck? I could have put an order down here. Did I just get like fucking kicked off? No, I'm still on here. I could have put an order here. I could have put an order here, but no, I chose this one. Wow, look at that fucking bounce. 31. This is what I wanted to happen here. This is what I wanted to happen here. It was holding there, kind of retested it a couple times, and then fucking popped. I wanted that to happen here, but no. Let's see if I get filled here. Watch me get filled there, and I get fucking stopped out again. Handsome Dan, what up? Desmond, I appreciate you helping the algo, man. Are we gonna get filled here? Here's the lower the VWAP band. Let's see if this holds here. Oh, we got a new hour. We got new hour fuckery. I'm fucking scared.
Order rejected.
Oh, look at Apex. Are you serious? The way their new fucking plans are laid out, they have scaling rules in place. You can't accidentally go in with too many contracts anymore. They fucking stopped that also. Good on them. They've done a lot. They're doing a lot of good shit. They did a lot of good shit with these new plans, and people are still fucking complaining. It's so weird. They fucking basically, the 25Ks kind of suck now. I know that. At least that's my thoughts on them. You only get $1,000 a drawdown, but that's how the Lucid 25Ks are. They basically made all their shit comparable to everybody else's, but they still let you trade with 20 accounts, and they also added end of day plans. But I've gotten caught in situations where I fucking like a group gets fucking cut off. Really, you fucking piece of shit. Like this is frustrating, man. Shit like this is like what puts me on tilt. Missing these opportunities and then just missing getting filled here by fucking 5 or 6 points and it drops. Shit like this fucking drives me fucking crazy. Trading Joe. Intraday and daily loss limit. That's take profit. That's how Take Profit Trader was for years. For years. The only two plans I think that are worth getting at all are the 50s and the 150s in either format. Big Mike, what up? Yeah, I mean, that was a huge, Trading Joe, when they got rid of daily loss limit, everybody fucking flocked over there. There were a lot of people that kind of stayed away from Take Profit Trader because of that. And then when they got rid of it, finally, people fucking rushed fucking Take Profit Trader. They got rid of it a year ago, actually. Like right when the new year started, they fucking got rid of the daily loss limit. The difference between the daily loss limit with Take Profit Trader, though, also don't forget, compared to what Apex is, when you hit the daily loss limit on Take Profit Trader, you're a fucking done. That account is breached. That's it. The account is gone. You lose it. If you hit the daily loss limit with Apex, just like how Lucid is right now with their pro plan, and just like how fucking, I don't know if My Fund the Futures has daily loss limits anymore on any of their plans. They used to. You don't lose the account. You just can't trade it anymore for that day. You live to see another day. Yeah, Bacon, yeah. You fucking Stony Brook. No, I went to Stony Brook. That's fucking great. Noah. Yeah, I mean, my first 2 kids were born in Stony Brook Hospital. Actually, my first 3. That's dope. Money Mitch, what up? Sean. Za. Yeah, it is not like a soft breach. It is a soft breach. You don't lose your account. Carl's posted something in the Discord. What is this?
Oh, and a big right hand from Zuckerberg.
This ain't real.
He's hurt.
That's not real, is it?
Zuckerberg with the finish.
No fucking. Who was he fighting? Oh, it's Elon. Oh, was that a real fight?
Right hand from Zuckerberg.
Was this real?
He's hurt. He's hurt.
No fucking way. That is not fucking real. I didn't see that. No, I was like, Elon is not that muscular.
With the finish.
And neither is Mark Zuckerberg. They're both soft as fucking, they're soft as fucking, pudding. Soft as Charmin. Anyway, what's going on here? Pine Tree. That shit's fucking funny. Ward Melville. Okay. Damn, bro. Joshua went to Fordham. What's with all these New York people in here? I love it. That shit is funny. All of that shit is all this shit going on with Iran. How do we know if any of that is real? You could also tell like how Elon fell. It looked, it wasn't perfect. It looked, who Zuckerberg? The fucking droid. He's an iRobot. iRobot was a documentary. Look at this. I just missed getting filled here, and it's down we're down 35 points so far. I mean, I wouldn't say I just missed, but it was close enough. Right off of the low of the VWAP band. Oh, Adam, bro. Look how good it is. You don't think the government's been using this shit on us for fucking 20 years, 10 years? They had they're always we're getting what they've been using on us. We're finally getting access to use it ourselves. So what do you think they have that they get to use against us? %1,000%. Yeah. They also had Facebook and Google. That's all government shit. Facebook used to be LifeLock. Was it LifeLock? No, LifeLog or something like that. And literally the day that LifeLog gets shut down was the same day that the Facebook Corporation was formed or founded. I'm sure that was just a coincidence. It's all fucking, but they make it up like Zuckerberg was the guy who created it in some fucking dorm room in Harvard. Bullshit. They make a movie about it so then more people believe the fucking propaganda. Oh, the voice emulator? Yeah, all of it, bro. All of it. All of it. Remember the whole, you just grab her by the pussy thing? Sorry, ladies. Remember all of that? I don't even know if I'm going to get in trouble with YouTube, but how do we know that wasn't fucking AI? Look, this fucking spot is holding again. It retested. How do we know that wasn't AI? Yeah. They're all fucking, it's, you know what I'm saying? Was I ever on MySpace? Of course I had a MySpace. I had multiple accounts. I was spamming the fuck out of this shit to make money online. Zero Dawn. Yeah, everything is bullshit. That's how I fucking live my life. Everything is fucking bullshit because everything is. It's just, everything they tell us is bullshit. I don't give a fuck who's in office. The government is not here to help. I don't care who the fuck's in there. They probably all mean well, and then they learn how shit works, and then they can't do what they really wanted to do. I mean, look at this fucking term. Look at this presidential term right now. Guy promised peace and no more wars, and all we're doing is fucking blowing motherfuckers up. Allegedly. Maybe it's not happening at all. Yo, Pine Tree, bro. Since 2005. I've been making money online since 2005. All different types of ways. I can't believe this held. What the fuck is this shit? Let me look at the larger time frame. Let's see. I mean, it makes sense. We're just holding at this level here. Let's see what the hourly looks like. Monday's high. This is Monday's high. Is that Monday's high? Yeah. No, that's Wednesday. That's Tuesday's high. Monday's high is right here. It's like 30 something points off of Monday's high. It literally rejected right off of it when it, like on this bounce right here, on this hourly, look at this hourly rejection right here. It rejected right off of it. After we dipped below it, we wicked above it, came back and retested it and dropped. And now, like, we're hanging on this pivot point. It's interesting. Very interesting. Right? Right here. You live next to Pedo Island? Did you ever see the submarine that fucking, what's-her-face was driving? Jizzy? Jizzy Lane. Training Joe is just crazy. It's just all fucking, you know how many fucking people already died from that shit? Oh yeah, the targeted strikes. Yeah, targeted strikes that you don't think there's collateral damage. She flew his helicopter and she also had a fucking submarine operator's license. She didn't fuck around. She was, they both of them were they were fucking operatives. You know about her dad, right? We're not allowed to talk about that though. We're not allowed to talk about that. Clinville, if it wasn't AI, it was all bullshit anyway. You got the same fucking crisis actors showing up to all the different crisis, all these things. People that died on fucking, shit that happens after. Another thing we're not allowed to talk about. You got the fucking dad over the father of some kid who supposedly died during Sandy Hook. Fucking literally joking and laughing with the cameras on him, but he doesn't know. And then all of a sudden it's action time, and all of a sudden he starts crying and starts talking and crying and shit about his daughter. Come on, man. Anybody who fucking believes that shit, man, good for you. God bless you. And the dude, Adam Lanza is the same guy who's a fucking anti-gun activist. What's the guy's name? Fucking, it's the same fucking guy. He was the Democrat. What's his name? Fucking Fogg. David Hogg. David Hogg is Adam Lanza. The guy that they said this is the shooter that they supposedly got when all that happened. Go figure, because they operate in dualities. That's what the whole, like, with all that Freemasonry, with the white and black fucking checkered floors, it's all about the yin and the yang and the opposites and shit. So they had the fucking shooter, they used fucking David Hogg, his picture, and then David Hogg is an anti-gun activist that was supposedly at fucking Columbine too or some shit. Come on. What are we doing here? Everything is bullshit. He's blackmailing everybody. Maybe he's the real fucking president of the United States. Maybe he's the real president of the District of Columbia. Tyson, I agree with you. There's no way that guy fucking died in prison hanging himself. Come on. Are we fucking stupid? Oh, that other shooter. Yeah. The shooter from, in the BlackRock commercial. The guy that was supposedly trying to assassinate Trump on the golf course, right? He just happened to be in a BlackRock commercial. It's all a fucking show. And they do shit like that. They want to see how fucking stupid we are, to see if we ever pick up on it.
Order filled.
Oh, fuck. Oh my God, man. Here we go. Did I put my order in to fuck my stop? No. Now it's going to fucking pump. We held here. We literally just fucking popped 40 something points. We popped 50 points on this retest. This 786 retest on this small ass fucking move. Let me get rid of this shit. So I missed all of these opportunities, and now I'm taking this opportunity. I'm probably gonna get fucked. I just feel the fucking. Let me see. Let me get another trailing stop.
Order rejected.
Oh shit! I can't put a separate type
Order
of
rejected.
You fucking joking? Dude. Here's what I gotta do. I gotta do it this way. I'm gonna have to put them on top of each other. But look. I'm about to get fucked again. Whatever. That's interesting. How do I usually rotate accounts? I kind of just work my way through everything. You know, usually one firm at a time. It depends on what's going on. Like it depends on what kind of price action's happening. And I wish I got filled on this now. Look, I just missed getting filled and adding to this position by 5 ticks. I would be up another $280 right now. I would be green. Is it going to hold here, or am I going to get fucked? Come on, drop it. See, here's, you know what's going to happen? Because I got PTSD from getting fucked on this one, right? I didn't lock in $150 or whatever. I'm up around the same, and I'm going to take it. And as soon as I take it, the next candle is going to drop fucking 20 points. Because that's what happens. That's what happens to me. That's like one of the things I'm working through. Is it going to hold here? We got the low of the VWAP band here. Watch. If it fucking, see. Watch me get fucked here. Oh, I almost let go. There. Can we just drop down one more fucking leg? Come down here somewhere. Get through this. It didn't give a fuck about it on the way up, right? That's what I'm talking. Oh my God. What did I get? I got $55. Are you fucking kidding me? Watch it. Now it's going to dump. Watch. I guarantee it. I guarantee you it's going to go down now on the next one. I just kind of work my way through to answer your question, though. This is the 786 that with this being the high. I'm just expanding to this high just to see what the fuck. Oh, watch. See, if I would have held, I would have been red up here. Let's see what happens. Is it going to fucking dump now? I don't know. Don't trust it. I don't trust it. It probably does dump, though, because I'm out now. I'm not re-entering, no. I'm not re-entering after this shit just fucking popped 50-something points, right? We went from 31 to fucking 84. After, we dropped pretty hard, too. Remember, we fucking dumped hard as fuck. Like, the range right now on the NQ already is... Oh, I got an order way down here. Forgot about that. The range on the NQ right now, 25,000. It's 225 points. It's a pretty big range considering we've only been open for fucking 5 hours. So whatever. I cut into my deficit by fucking $55. Right? How much was I down on the last trade? Yeah, I mean, but yeah, I mean, this is the shit I deal with. Whatever. Yep, there it goes. I needed it to break this shit, but no, it had to fucking shoot up real quick and take me out as soon as I let go of it. I don't even know I realized I let go of it that close to my entry. So it was just dog shit anyway. Fucking stupid. 67, 25. And that's 8 points. That's fucking almost 8 points from where I got taken out. I don't know what's happening here. Yo, what up, P? Jose, Trader J. But like I rotate, like I already traded Freeper to answer your question again. More on that. These are the first accounts I traded. These Lucids. I traded these first. I traded these four first. I wanted to get my fourth $150 day in and get myself 1 day closer. I need one more fucking day. I'm 1 day away, $150 away from getting my fourth payout on these four accounts, and basically, not basically, but getting a $7,200 deposit into my bank account. One more $150 day. So I wanted to get that shit taken care of. Then I wanted to get my third day in on this one. And then I had to just get a flip day on these trade days. I did that. I don't care if I lost 28 bucks. All I needed to do was not lose 110. I'm over the target. 53,000 is the target. And I have my fifth trading day in. So I don't give a fuck about that. I'm right here. I don't care. Doesn't matter. And then I needed another flip day on my take profit trader test accounts. So I went over to those next. And now I got all that out of the way. Now I'm working on my Apex accounts. And I'm fucking, getting dicked around with by the NQ. So this is what I'm going to be trading for. I missed this. I fucking got fucked here. I missed just bad choices of fucking entries or trades. Stop hit. Yeah, it was probably his fucking bodyguard. If he was even in there at all to begin with. You know what I'm saying, stop hit? Was he even really in there? That's all I'm trying to say about all of it. They've been lying to us our whole fucking life. What makes this any different now? And we knew they were lying. We've been saying they've been lying, and then they finally come out and release fucking classified shit. They declassify shit that fucking admits that they're fucking lying about everything. They basically said, yeah, we are, and there's nothing you could do about it. That's what they did when they declassified all this shit. Yeah, we do all this shit to you. We did all this shit to you. We're going to keep doing shit to you, and you're not going to fucking know, and there's nothing you could do about it. Oh, by the way, I'm trying to build up my fucking kick. I don't know why. But there it is. If you want to follow me on Kick. Look at it. It came back up here. So it retested that 707 from that I had drawn out before. Now it's probably going to drop. Oh, no. I see, right here, I had that order like 5 ticks above this wick. If I got that and I got taken out of here, it was at 84.75 or some shit. I would have had another $180 or whatever. Or down here, I would have, if I had that, I got filled on that, and we were down here, I would have fucking put my trailing stop right on top of it, and I would have been green. But that's just not how it played out, because that would have been too easy. I wonder if this thing wants to go back to the VWAP. Probably eventually at some point, maybe. I don't know. Depends on if it goes lower. This shit's fucking moving at a snail's pace, too. What up, O? Let me get some cheap diesel. This fucking upper the VWAP band, lower the VWAP band held. This is going to go up another leg. Hopefully it comes up here and then rejects. Put these trailing stops. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just guessing. Oh, you like that shit, right? This shit is fucking whacked, though, this price action. Yeah, Jose, you got to be careful, man. Well, here's that order I had up here that I moved. I moved it up more. Let's see if this holds. This was the 786 with this being the high, this wick right here. We're at the 786. Of course, just like I did during power hour, I did the same fucking thing. I moved an order down because I was afraid. Because someone said that Trump was talking and I was worried that he was going to dump the market. So I moved my order away from a spot that I would have gotten filled. And like, if I held the whole time, could have got like 50, 60 points. I got nothing. And then I missed getting filled on a lower low after that by 3 points. And it bounced like 60 points on that off of that one. Let's see if I get fucked the same way here. Maybe not. We'll see. Trend friend, what's good? The shit's just moving real fucking slow. Also. Is it too soon? Is it too soon? 60-hour trader, what up? Yo, Fredo, just ain't right. You got DVT. Is Kick better though? I don't know. Everybody's on YouTube. At some point, I'm gonna do streams just on here, just to see if what kind of. What? Kick has less lag? Yeah, but I mean, there's three people watching it, and it's because I told you guys about it. I'm literally starting from fucking scratch. And there's 102, 105 people on YouTube right now watching it. Trend friend, usually it's 3 to 7 business days after the email gets sent out. Take Daddy. Yeah, Twitch. I haven't fucked with Twitch. So again, the same fucking thing is kind of happening to me. I moved an order away from this area, and I would have gotten filled. Let's see if it fucking drops. I don't know. This is the 786. I don't know if it's going to drop. But it is, who knows? Just frustrating. I fucking hate the NQ. I just want to trade gold. I just want to trade gold. Fucking Brian Stonk ruined it for everybody. Brian Stank. Fucking 707. Amazing. Watch this. $707. It's kind of messy though. It just looks like it's in a big ass flag on the larger time frame. If I go to gold, we still haven't fully worked our way up. Well, did we? Was this it right here? This was it right here. I'm sorry. From when we hit the, whoops. Yeah, we almost fucking retested the all-time high. So like here was the all-time high. the fucking one when we fucking blew through 5,000 and hit 5,600 plus, and then we dumped to fucking 4,300 or 4,400, and then we retraced up. We went up a little bit over the 786, and fucking, we went up like 80% of the move. We came back 80% of that drop, and then we rejected. I thought we were gonna I thought, especially with all this Iran shit, this Middle East shit, that we would have fucking made new all-time highs, but we came close. I just don't know. Like, we could still go up higher. I don't fucking know. Or we could, who knows? I don't really care. But I don't know. I just see gold better. This is the daily. Rebby, what's up? Trend friend, no problem. Oh yeah, but I wouldn't be able to do that on YouTube though. I wouldn't be able to do it on YouTube. So if I'm multi-streaming, then it doesn't matter. I can't do it anyway. I'm gonna play some real techno dance music and drive fast in my third 21-year-old Lexus and be like, yeah, guys, woo, I'm here. Yo. Yeah. Oh my God. Gold just fucking dumped. Just dropped 100 ticks in like 4 minutes. What's NQ doing? What's Zcash doing? 239. Oh, it's working its way back up. Oh shit. I don't even have that ambitious of a take profit. After this massive drop, it's at 307, my take profit, which is nothing if we want to fucking come back and retest, a 618 or a 707 or whatever from this high. If I go to the weekly, I don't know though. Zcash might just be done. There we go. We're working our way up now. Interesting spot to choose to bounce from. The VWAP. We hit it here too. God, I wish I could trade gold on Apex, man. So like if I got filled on that 7-8, that order I had at 84.75, I would have been down a few points, 5 points or whatever, and then now look what's happening. Let's see how much it drops. I'm hoping it comes up here and fills me up here. Ah, man, it would only be fucking suiting if this fucking dropped on me right here after moving my order away from it. That's not a bad option. I was trying to get like 0-day J on a custom plate. Maybe on my fourth 21-year-old Lexus. I need a 60 hour. I used to mine Zcash back in the day. Yo, did you know that it went up to 755 just recently? K9, what's up? Charles Zhang. Yeah. I'm trying not to get caught in the fucking chop. But I would, I had an order at 84.75, I think it was. And I moved it up because I thought we were going to go up higher on this next leg up. And here we are. It's holding at this level, which was the 786 right here, with this being the high. And I'm fucking, about to get fucking annoyed. I'd have fucking $140 right there. Same shit happened to me during Power Hour. I basically fucked myself out of a fucking massive day. I don't know. We'll see. Meanwhile, gold just fucking dumped 100 ticks out of nowhere. I would love to trade gold. The problem is the only accounts I have left to trade right now are my Apex accounts. I already got Take Profit Trader done because I just needed a flip day. Same thing with trade day. Just needed day 5. These accounts are officially passed now. So I'll have funded trade day accounts on Friday for Friday session. And then my looses I'm done with. Nothing else for me to do there. So literally all I have left are these Apexes. And I'm fucking... And of course I fucked myself. Look. Of course. Oh my God. It is. Look at this shit. This is what I'm talking about. This is the type of shit that puts me on fucking tilt. Because I moved the fucking order. I had this fucking order right here. Right here. And I got scared. Like a little fucking bitch. And look what just happened. We went down fucking 17 fucking points. I would be green right now. I would be fucking green. But instead, I'm still fucking red. Because I'm a pussy. A big, wet ass pussy. We allowed to say that on YouTube? I'm not talking about the same thing that she was talking about. I'm just talking about myself. It's a metaphor. I'm metaphorically speaking. Oh, you still have them, Stevie J? Yo, how much were they trading for when you were mining them? Divergence. Jordan, what up, man? Yeah, I've learned I learned bouncing back and forth from instrument to instrument because one's not working out and then you go to the next one. I'm not going to say anything other than it could be really fucking tough doing shit like that. Instead of just waiting for the next setup. Even if you do bounce around, but you still got to want to wait. But that's just me. I'm not telling you what to do, bro, but that's how you get caught into you can get yourself into trouble that way. Yeah, where you been, Divergence? Willie. Yeah. Yeah. It's so fucking annoying, bro. Yeah, Tyson, yeah, I got fucking PTSD from all the times that I got fucked. It's hard to fucking shake that shit, But every day, in every way, I am getting better and better as a trader. Say it with me, chat. Say it out loud to yourself. Oh, shit.
Order filled.
All right. Game on. Probably going to get fucked. I almost want to just take this $50. Is this going to be supported right here? Can we drop it like 30 fucking points? Watch me let go here and it comes back up and takes. Dude, it's the same fucking thing every fucking time. Just go down a little bit more. Come back down here. Come here. Come here. Here. Come on, just a little bit more, please, Granny. Because I know what's going to happen. I'm going to let go and it's going to take me out. As soon as I let go, it's going to come back up in this spot. There we go. Oh, you fuck. Was I just green for a split second? I'm just going to put it here. I at least get fucking $135. Dude, it finds it. It always fucking finds it. All right, I'm only down $84 now. So what was I at? Where was it? 88.50. It came down to 84. So I was basically break even. Maybe I flipped green for a split second. Amon, what up? Investors, what's good? Danks here. What's my favorite restaurant on the strip, bro? What are you looking for? What are you trying to get? Sean, how do I feel about the Lucid Pros being combined with the black? I didn't even know they did that. You know how I feel about Lucid Pro and Lucid Black? I like Flex. Flex is my shit. I just think Flex is so much better. Here we go. What did I tell? What did I know it's going to go down lower. This is a great spot for a rejection. I hope it comes up here, though, and fills me here. That'll be a really good spot. I mean, they're not bad. They're not bad. Lucid's a great firm. I just think the Flex, for me personally, in my trading style, is the easiest one for me to get payouts on. That's why I fuck with it. Crank, what up? The big one's hurt. So, Danks here. Do you fuck with sushi? If you fuck with sushi, you got to hit up Mizumi. Mizumi in the win. Without a doubt. Without a fucking doubt. I mean, there's so many good spots. If you want to go with a steakhouse, you want a good steakhouse, accounts on Tradeovate app, not web browser. Yo, why would you trade on the app? That app is the biggest piece of shit, bro. Yeah, Danks here. Mizumi in the win. Without a doubt. Sick fucking place. And then, like, if you like one of the best appetizers I've ever had was at a place called Sushi Samba. It's in the Venetian Palazzo. It's in between them. But if you want like good, like the best sushi, I think fucking Mizumi's is the spot. Can't go wrong with Mizumi's. Crank, it's fucking great, bro. I was the same way. I know how you feel. I felt the same way. But what I found is once you start eating it and you realize if you have the right person take you, you have to be taken by someone who knows good sushi and knows what to order. That's the secret to getting your feet wet with it. You get the rolls. You don't just get the raw fucking sashimi. You get like the rolls, the chef special rolls. That's what I do. And in terms of steakhouses, because you're probably going to be there for more than one dinner. So in terms of steakhouses, dude, you're out here this weekend? Crank, if you come to New York, if you come to Vegas, we'll go to fucking, I'll fucking introduce you to sushi. See, Charisse. So do chargebacks still work? Yeah. If you don't mind, I'm not an advocate of it, but if you feel like you need to, you feel like you've been wronged, they still work. You just, if you're talking about a prop firm, just know that you'll never be able to trade with them ever again. You're basically blacklisted. I'm playing in a fucking tournament this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. When are you coming out? You gonna be out Friday? So here we go again. Here we go again. Is this gonna fucking dump here? I mean, at least I got $135. GMAT, what up? It's going okay. It's moving really slow, like really fucking slow. I got stopped out here after being up like $150. That's what kept happening to me on my funded account that I blew in well charts, my 560, which I did get $4,000 from it, but still, that's what kept happening to me. I literally got caught in a cuck zone, and I was up in every fucking trade before I get stopped out for a loss. It was awful. Stevie J, it's been like this all day, not just like when the market reopened. I think people are just scared to fucking trade with all this shit going on, allegedly going on. This is gonna go home. You fucking piece of shit, bro. I didn't want to re-enter here. There it goes. Look. You fucking cocksucker. Yeah. Oh, so you're gonna be with your homies? If you're gonna do sushi there, and if you're gonna do steak, what hotel are you staying at? Punisher. Punisher baseball tournament. I don't even know how much I haven't played a tournament in a while because last year I usually play in tournaments, at least 1 or 2 a year. But last year I broke my finger before basically the tournaments that I like to just do the local tournaments, and I broke my finger and missed it. Look, see this shit? Look at this. Look at this shit. You fucking cocksucker, bro. 88, it's down. I'd have another 7 points. I'd have another $140. I'd be green at least. It's gonna go lower. You know why? Because I'm not in anymore. Yeah, baseball. Yeah, the win is fucking dope. The win is dope. What's interesting is you have the win and then you have Encore. They're right next to each other. Encore is like fucking empty. But you could walk over to the win, and that's where it's popping. And it's like, the Palazzo and the Venetian, but the Venetian and the Palazzo are always popping. But the casinos are pretty much the same spot. You're staying at the Wynn, bro. They had a steakhouse in there, and they were like doing renovations. So I don't know if it's any good. I'm sure it is, because the Wynn is fucking dope. Wynn Steakhouse. I think it reopened. You know what a really good steakhouse is, though? Oh, there's so many of them. There's so many good steakhouses, but there's actually a steakhouse in Park MGM called Babbitt's. That shit was fucking great. I went there with my wife like a couple of months ago. That place was fire. Don's Prime. Don's Prime is fucking off the hook. Yeah, SW Steakhouse is open again. That's fucking crazy. It was closed when we were when we went, like, we're going out and we were like we like to go out like for a date night and like make our rounds at certain different restaurants out there because there's so many of them. But I was checking out the steakhouse at the Wynn, and at the time it was closed for like renovations or some shit. SW Steakhouse, but now it looks like it's open again. But I don't know how good it is, because I can't tell you how good it is based on my personal experience because I never had it. Don's Prime is off the fucking hook. Don's Prime, that's actually not too far from where you're staying. It's at the La Fontaine Bleu. Don's Prime. That place is fire. That place is really good. Babbitt's is really good. Smith & Wollensky's is okay. I mean, it's good, but Don's Prime by far is head and shoulders above that shit. What else? Kraft is okay. You know what other good sushi spot? Fucking Morimoto's. Morimoto's and MGM is fucking good too. Charlie bit my finger. What's that from? Oh, Crank. I've had sushi from roast. Like, you could get sushi. Yeah, you could do it. I've done it before. You could get it for like fucking Sprouts and Whole Foods and shit. Gangster, which one did you go to before? Don's or the SW? What are my honest thoughts about Peter Luger's? It's a good steakhouse. Is it the best one? If I was like, especially there's a Peter Luger's out here too. You know, there's like more there's Morton Steakhouse. There was one we went to Morton's for Cove's bachelor party back in the day when he was getting married, and we went to AC and we ate at Morton's. Like, that place was fucking great. There's a Morton's out here too. You know what's a really good restaurant? Fucking Hell's Kitchen. Hell's Kitchen was fucking unreal. We had a big party. We had a party of like 11 people, 13 people for my daughter's 18th birthday. That place was fucking fire. But you gotta like reserve ahead of time. Crank. Well, bro. I mean, you probably have parasites all up in your shit anyway. What's another batch of parasites in your body? Yeah, very busy, and you got to like reserve far in advance. I don't think if Dangs here was trying to go with his homies, they're coming out here this weekend. I don't think he'd be able to get in. Cranston, I'm from Long Island, the first town outside of Queens called Valley Stream. There's a Peter Luger's in Little Neck. You know what I'm confusing it with? I was thinking about Ruth's Chris. I went to a Ruth's Chris in where the fuck was that? Mineola. That was pretty good. But yeah, I mean, a lot of these steakhouses are fucking great. I don't think you could get. Look at this shit. I don't think you could get a. Oh my god, am I not gonna get fucking filled? Are you fucking serious? You fucking piece of shit, bro. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Maybe I will get filled. I just have this feeling it wants to VWAP. I just hope it doesn't go for it right now and I could get something from this. All I had to do was just go. I mean,
Order filled.
Crazy is like we fucking came to this low, retested it with a 786 bounce, popped again, came and retested that same level, and then we're up from there. We went up 70 plus points from there. It just took forever. It took almost an hour. It took 49 minutes. Is this gonna drop here? Come on, baby. Give me a flashy dump. That'd be amazing. Give me 40 fucking points. Oh shit, I'm fucking green. Oh, I'm green. Oh, please. Is there more in the tank on this fucking trade? Says I'm going against I'm going against the trend. The trend is not my friend. And this is what happens. You don't always get like a big move against the trend. Unless you break the trend. I have to draw a tan line. Oh, here we fucking go. Here we fucking go, guys. I'll take that. Does it want to go lower before it takes me out? Can you go a little bit lower? No? That's fine. It's only 3 points. Fucking green, son. A fucking green, motherfucker. You see, guys? Yeah. I feel so much better. Oh, man. I fucking hate the NQ, bro. I fucking hate it. But look, I mean, I got an opportunity. I got a scalping opportunity. What did I get taken out? 92.75 and went down to fucking 89.75. So another $60. It wouldn't have been enough to get my $200 day, and I need a $200 day now for it to count. But hey, we're green. I'll build from here. We'll see what happens. I'm fucking green, chat. Hey, chat. You see, guys? I knew it all along. I'm muted on Kick? Why? Hold on a sec. Why don't you hit this? Hold on. Oh, I hear myself. Hit the mute button. Here, I'm gonna show you. Oh, look, it's coming back down. Is this gonna fucking dump now? You fucking cock sucker. Hold on, I gotta mute myself. You can't hear shit. Hey, hold on. I don't know if you're on your phone, but you gotta hit this button right here. Can you see that? This, the unmute button. I don't know what it looks like on the phone though. Like on the phone though. Can I not pause this shit? Oh, wait, here it is. I don't want you guys to hear it. Look, we got guys watching on Kick too. We got 4 whole fucking people on there. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it though. Trying to get the algorithm to fucking show me some love. He just doesn't. He's got to unmute it, JK. That's the fucking issue. Yo, look at this. I got triplets. All right. Anyway, back to this shit. Look at that. It ended up going lower. You fucking piece of shit, bro. You know how annoying that is? It's so annoying. It's so annoying. But whatever. We did good. We're green now. It only went down another. So let's say I was still in. I rode that out. I got it at 92.75. It went down to 85. It went down another 7.5 points. I would have my $200 day in, but whatever. We're good. We got some new hour fuckery coming in. Let me make sure I don't have any open orders. All right, let's draw a fucking fib. So the 786 held for now. Let me draw a fib from the high down to this low, maybe? I don't know, man. Down here. Just because of new hour fuckery. We'll see what happens. We will see. Oh, you hit the mute button? It happens, man. It happens. It's so crazy. I remember when all I used to do was like, it wasn't like the only thing I did, but I loved playing like the 34 bounces and rejections. And look at that shit. The 34, we bounced here, we bounced here. We kind of like wicked below it here, but it held. And then look at like the rejections here. I used to play like, oh, I love the 34. I don't do that shit now. But look at that one. Fucking nice. Where are we in terms of the orb? Excuse me. We're working our way back up to the orb. You got the VWAP right here at 25, 120 something, 123. You see, guys? That's stupid. So let's see what's going on here. I wonder if it's going to retest the 786 here and then drop again. But does it want the VWAP? It's getting a little freaky. Is this a new 4-hour candle that we're about to have? Hold on. No, we're not. No, it's nope. Incorrect. So it kind of retested that 786. Is it going to drop now? I love playing that type of shit, but not right now. I trust it more with gold than I do with the NQ. Yeah, we got midnight open. I mean, it's fucking eight fucking 10 points already. So that was a good, that would have been a nice little scalp. I don't know. This price action is kind of sketchy. Although I could have just rolled this shit all the way up. I mean, fuck, man. No, I don't want to do that. I want to do a tan. I want to draw a tan line right now. We'll see what happens. I can only hang out for a little while longer anyway. I got a video to edit. I actually have 2 videos I want to post. I might only be able to get one. Well, there's a retouch on the 786. Here we go. I mean, here's a new hour fuckery. There's a 786 retest. It dropped from 103 to 96. That's not a lot. I don't know. If we break this fucking trend line and it's a clear break, I might fucking chase into shorts. P shenanigan. It's the same community, bro. Oh, by the way, anybody here hanging out for the first time? I gotta give you something. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna drop the Discord in here. You guys want to hang out? You guys want to hang out in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets? The DGen fam Discord. Here's the link. It's free for now. Yeah, Tommy. Balls are itchy. Maybe they just need to air out. You could always scratch them. Oh, there it is. We broke it. Now, do I trust this enough to for it to drop more? See, there's the retest right there. 104. We went down fucking 14 points on that retest. It's just a little sketchy during fucking new hour fuckery. Here, this is what I'm talking. You fuck, man. Here, I'm putting it in order right. So if I would have played the retest, 103, I'd have fucking 17 points on the retest. I just didn't trust it because the VWAP's right here, and we had new hour fuckery. So I was being a little bit more conservative over there. I just don't like fucking around during new hour fuckery. But look at this shit. All I got on the first one was fucking 11 points, and now it's fucking 8 points lower. It could fucking drop another 20, 30 points. Fuck me, bruh. Bruh. We'll see. Maybe it comes up here and retests this tan line, but the tan line broke. The tan line broke. I don't want to chase it down here. I want to maybe come up and retest, and then I don't fucking know. I missed this retest. I don't know what the fuck. I might just say, fuck it. I'll wait for something else. He might need some Jokic, antifungal, spinal. Yeah, they always do come. Eventually. It'll probably come as soon as I get off and like I'm going to like hang out. Go hang out for a little bit before my wife goes to sleep. Maybe show her a little magic trick. But ew. I do like that we broke this tan line. Is it going to drop lower here or what? We also have this right here as a low potentially. So we have the 786 rejection with this being the high from what? Over 2 hours ago, and we have a trend line break. I feel like this could fucking go down a bunch more. And I'm gonna miss the boat. I got this baby. I mean, it's not a baby amount, but look at this right here. This retest dropped fucking 17 points. Actually, it dropped fucking 20 points. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's fucking Tyson, man. The fucking champ. What's gold doing? Holy shit. Gold fucking dumped. 940 to fucking 750. It dropped almost 200 ticks. high. That's the low of day. Here's another low right there. I mean, that's interesting. Is this going to give it up here? It's retesting this tan line right here. Either that, Tommy, or they're just waiting for the next big fucking, move. I'm not talking about on the market. This fucking war shit. Cash all. Yo. Nice. Oh man, can we retest this a little higher? I'm scared though. I don't know. I got back to green. It's just moving like shit. There it is. There's the touch. Do I fucking do it? Here's what we're gonna. It's just not moving enough. Like I would need to play past the smash with these. I would need 25 points. Fuck me. Indecision. Whoops. Well, tan line broke. We're retesting that 786 again. Does it hold here? Or does it break the fucking golden shower pocket? Oh shit.
Order rejected.
I got fucking orders down here. Fuck me. Dude. I fucking missed it. I was pivoting to my fucking evals, and I was just like, because I wasn't sure. Look at that. We wick over it by a fucking half a point, 3 ticks, or maybe even a whole point, and it retested the 786 again and dropped. Look at that shit go. Fuck me, bro. I literally was just talking about this happening too. I was just scared to fucking risk it with these these PAs, and I just got green again. Fuck. $12 points already. 13 points. Even though we broke this tail line, we could also just go sideways for a while, and then it could curl back up and retest it at a later time. You know what I mean? So I don't know, but that would have been a nice little scalp. And I was just talking about it. What's a good target? I don't know. I feel like we could keep going up. We haven't even retested the VWAP yet, but this could be just like anything. I don't know. I mean, if a good target, if we were to go to the downside, under 25,000, 25,000, 24,996 is a good one. 24,968. Those aren't bad spots. If we really fucking dump, like, fuck, 24,917, 24,950 ish. If we were to go down on the way up, I mean, we rejected off this 786. Like, look at that shit. We rejected on that 786. I mean, there it is. That was the initial pop when the market reopened. I mean, we could come back up around here somewhere. Here's yesterday's higher day. Yesterday's higher day is 219-ish, 218. I don't know, though. Who the fuck knows? Is there any fucking tonight? We got unemployment claims. What about tonight, later on? No, there's nothing going on, in terms of data until tomorrow morning. Friday's the big one. Non-farm payroll, all that shit. But I mean, there it goes. I mean, I fucking pretty much said exactly what could possibly happen, and it's happening right now. You see, guys. Trader Shop dumped this shit. Next Trade Lou, what up, man? Where you been? Hanging out with other streamers? It's just fucking. There's no volume. Like, look at the fucking volume. There's like none. This is whack. It's fucking thin as fuck. JP chilling, bro. Chilling. I'm fucking green well, actually I'm not green everywhere, but this doesn't count. This doesn't matter to me. All I needed to do was get my 5th day in without losing $110. So I could care less if I was green or red. I literally got into a trade and put a take profit and a stop not too far away from the order, and whatever happened. I don't care about these. So the ones that I needed to grow, like this one I needed to be green because I needed to, make sure I got myself out of any 50% consistency rule issues as I continue to grow the accounts. But look at this shit. You gotta be fucking kidding me. It's gonna fucking drop. I wish I fucking wasn't such a pussy. 18 points. 18 points off of that retest. A third retest. We hit it here. We retested it here. So it's a second retest. But we came and retested the tan line after breaking the tan line, and now we're dropping. I mean, it's right there in front of us. I'm just a pussy. 82. 21 points. It's going to go lower. Let's see. How low is it going to go? Oh, my God. This shit just dropping, bro. Now, this is an interesting spot right here, this low. Does it bounce off of this 786, or does it just keep going all the way down here and come to one of these levels here? That's a good question. Let me see if I could get a quick scalp here. Let's fucking see. Well, there's a 707 almost. Quick little scalp. Let's see. Little scalpy scalp. Tight fucking stop. Tight like a tiger. Dark cloud. Yo, you like that shit? I don't make any of them. We got some really fucking creative people. Especially with all this like AI shit, Grok and fucking ChatGPT. Like, you just tell it what to do, you give it something to work with, and you tell it what to do, and it just spins up some crazy shit like what you see with all my thumbnails. Man, I'm so fucking annoyed. You know what's gonna happen here? I'm going against what I thought was gonna happen. Look at this. Here's the tan line broken, and I'm gonna get filled here, and I'm probably gonna get stopped out, but we'll see. I almost want to cancel it and wait for it to come down here more, come lower, come more lower, more gooder. Get a more
Order filled.
Yup, see? You see, guys, I told you, I fucking know everything is going to happen, and I fucking go against it anyway. Why not take this? This is a much better fucking opportunity than this. And I take the shittier fucking trade. And I'm going to get burned for it. I'm going to get stopped out. Definitely get stopped out. Without a doubt. Not even a question. Oh, I just missed getting stopped out. Look at that shit. Don't worry, it'll take me out. I'll be surprised if it doesn't. Holy shit. Can it go up enough to that I could fucking get out of this with some green? No. Look at this drop though. Look at this. 84. It just dropped fucking 104. I'm sorry. 104 to 70 to 70. 34 fucking points off of this retest of the fucking tan line and the 786 touch again. And it dropped 34 points. Amazing. So, and I didn't wait. I should have fucking waited for it to come down lower. This is fucking stupid. Maybe I'll get out of it, but I feel like I'm going to get stopped out. I deserve it. I'll wait, though. There it goes. Stop out time. Just fucking do it already. Oh my God, just fucking do it. So fucking annoyed. That would have been a fucking banger, bro. So clean. At least I saw it, but seeing is one thing. You got to be able to execute. Watch the way back up here, though. So I got bottom ticked. Nice. Watch it fucking pump now. So, now I'm back fucking red. I'm only down $5, but I mean, this was such a banger. Look at that shit. So stupid. I fucking hate myself. This is where this is why I fucking hate the NQ. I just don't trust it. So like the shit I like to do with gold, I don't trust the NQ enough to do it with. And then I get caught in bullshit like this where I literally said, I don't know why I'm fucking putting my order, even though it was a 786 with this being the low. I should have waited for it to come down here lower. JP. Yeah. JP has all the dirt on everybody. Oh, look. So look at this shit. Did you see what just happened? Something that happens to me all the time. Oh, look. I'd be green. Where did I get in? 75, 50? I'd be green right now. I literally got fucking bottom ticked. And I had my take profit here. It's so fucking funny. I fucking hate this shit. I hate trading. I'm going to stop. Today's my last day trading. I'm never trading again. Shit's starting to wake up, though. Finally. The volume still sucks, but the price action is starting to wake up. As we get closer to the London session, it's going to be more gooder. So fucking annoyed, though. Take profit was right about here, right? 82.50, 82.50. Let's see. I hope it goes lower. I want to get filled down here. But man, look at this. We have the 786 and the tan line broken. 786 rejection, tan line broken. I mean, what an easier fucking path to profits there than me trying to fucking catch what I tried to catch there and getting stopped out. to get back whatever gains I had. It's just execution and fucking doubting yourself. This was the fucking clear winner in terms of better fucking setup, and I fucking fumbled it completely. Yeah, I guess, Crank. I mean, I don't know. I've been watching these a lot more, and I see it happen often. Like, that's why I saw the trend, right? And I was like, if we could break this fucking tan line, this trend right here, this could happen, especially knowing that we rejected off the 786 on a somewhat larger time frame. And I still fucking pussied out. I pussied out, and then I fucking fucked up. It's so fucking stupid. I literally said what was going to happen or what could potentially happen, and I fucking don't even fucking play my own shit. Come on. I'm fucking stupid. That's what happens when you have a low IQ for being an Apex affiliate. By the way, Apex is 90% off. Intraday, 85% off end of day. Take Profit Trade is 40% off a no activation fee. Trade Day is 30% off a no activation fee. Lucid's 50% off any type and any size eval. For the first 2 uses, you could get two of those, and then 40% off uses. And then look at this shit holding here. You gotta be fucking kidding me. 82.50. And then 30% after that. 89% off Bullinox. And in My Fund, the Futures has all types of shit. If you want to support the channel, put in the best code 0DayJ. If not, we're cool, no matter what. But look at me, getting bottom ticked. I'm the bottom tick king. If you didn't know and you're new to this fucking channel, I am the bottom tick king. Some people like to claim that they're the fucking best traders on the best YouTube streamers and the best traders and all this shit. They got the best trading channel and trading show. I am the bottom and top tick king. And anybody who's been hanging out with me long enough will fucking know. Case in point. Case in fucking point. Rebby, what happened? I got kicked off? Oh, I'm here. Here we go. This is what fucking sets me off right there. This is what puts me on tilt. I fucking had my take profit here. Watch, there it goes. It's gonna hit it. It's gonna go through it. I mean, at that point, if that would have happened before I got stopped out, I would have trailed it tight and fucking gotten the fuck out. There it is. Oh my God. How do I get fucked like this so often? So instead of getting fucking $140 something or whatever, I fucking lose 125. How do I get fucked like that? All the time. Look at this shit go. I literally got bottom ticked. It never fucking fails. It never fucking fails. I tell you guys what's going to happen before it happens so often. It's not funny. And I still get fucked. What up, Coach Eddie? Yeah, man, whenever you're ready, bro. Whenever you're ready, man. Just, you know how to find me. Real DGZ, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I really do. And I'm sorry that happened to your accounts. It's just fucking amazing. This shit went up. I got taken out down here at fucking 69. It went down 5 ticks more, and then it bounced fucking 20 points. RM. I'm on a Mac. Just know that you won't be able to, unless you run like Parallels or VMware, you won't be able to use Rhythmic or like Quant Tower or NinjaTrader on a Mac. But there's a saying, once you go Mac, why does this camera keep fucking shutting off, man? I'm gonna fucking lose my shit. They say once you go Mac, you never go back. I'm fucking living proof of that. Gregory Brown, what's up, man? I'm glad it helps you. It's beautiful. At least you weren't such a pussy like me, right? You fucking held it and rolled that shit down. I'm a little bitch. I got taken out here for baby gains. I literally fucking called this shit, and I don't even fucking take my own fucking call out of what could possibly happen. But good on you, bro. I'm super happy for you that it's helping you with your trading. Stevie J, yeah. I'm with you on that. Now I think it's going to go lower. I don't know. Maybe it's going to come and retest like a 707 or 786 and bounce. Who the fuck knows? 4 micros. Yeah. I've been trading gold micros because of the fucking crazy ranges we've been having, and I hate it. I hate trading micros. If I'm just not a pussy, right? If I'm not a pussy, I'm fucking good on this trade. My take profit would have gotten hit. I wasn't trying to get a lot. But whatever. It is what it is. Amazing. Now watch this. Let me see something. This high right here. Oh, look. This fucking high, you got the 786. Look at that. Down fucking 14 points. So, it's fucking like it's playing out. I mean, it plays out all fucking day and night. It just depends on where you have it drawn. I'm not cherry picking this spot. This is a high. This was the last high from this low. So it is what it is. Well, this is the last high before this low happened, and we retested. But I went with this one because it just made the most sense to me. And I'm more conservative especially with the NQ. I'm just so fucking annoyed. I'm more annoyed about this, that I didn't fucking take that trade, and I was talking about it playing out, and it fucking did, like, beautifully. Look at that shit. I'm more annoyed about that than anything. And the fact that I got bottom ticked, because I'm the bottom tick king. This is going to go lower. Yeah, I wonder if it breaks this shit. You got like support right here. We got this area. You got this. Now we have this, but I think it's going to break it and go lower. Yep. You got the lower the VWAP band here, right? Yeah, the lower the VWAP band. Does it hold here? Coach HID, what up, man? How do you set a take profit on Tradeovate? DBT, you literally just click. You just like click anywhere on the chart, right? And then you have like, you could put your amount of contracts up here. Here's like the order block. And then you just click it. It'll put this number on the screen, and you just either say you want to put a sell order or a buy order at your spot, wherever you want to put it. But you got to set it here. And then you can manually go in like these working orders. Like I could go in here and modify the order and shit. But this is how I did it in the beginning, before realizing that I could just click on the fucking screen, But it's pretty simple right here. I just click on it, and put this shit in. Here, look, I'm gonna put a buy order down here. Buy, and there it is. And then you could grab this and drag it up and down if you want. You see this? Which is cool too. And if you want to kill the order, you could. If you want to just kill all yours, just hit exit and cancel all. It'll get rid of them there, or you just click the X here. What a fucking little bitch I am, bro. Amazing. And look, look at this low with the VWAP band holding. Those things are crazy, man. One standard deviation. Uh-oh. I gotta feed the old man dog. I'll feed the old man dog and then I'll get off. Does he want to eat or does he have to make?
I don't know, but you just let the topics in.
Come on, buddy. Not you, Harvey. Changing his mind. Is it going to go lower now? Yeah, I don't know what he wants to do. Actually, I got to look for something. He's just standing right there. Now here he comes. Come on. Come on. Let's go, Grandpa. You guys want to see my third 21-year-old Lexus? Look at this fucking thing. Oh, damn. Look at those fucking rims, son. Some people brag about having their third Ferrari. I'm on my third 21-year-old Lexus. I'm looking for something for my son, but let's go. This fucking guy. Here we go. Here we go. I'm scared. I'm moving this down. Is this gonna fucking hold again? Hold on a sec. I have to text my son. Oh, come down here, baby. Look at this drop, though. Look at this. Off of that fucking retest. 104. We're down fucking 40 fucking points. And you know what I got out of all of that? I got stopped out for a fucking loss of $125. And I was literally fucking talking about this happening. It's fucking amazing. You know you're kind of like in a rut when you don't even fucking execute on the shit that you're literally talking about out loud. That's how I feel right now. I'm in like this weird fucking space with my trading. A lot of it has to do with the fact that I can't trade gold in Apex. But I can't let that fucking get in the way and stop me. I've been getting payouts trading the NQ with Apex. I just hate it. And I got so much PTSD that I fucking do dumb shit like what you just saw. Hopefully some people saw what I saw and actually took advantage of it, and they're still in right now. Well, they re-entered here possibly. Look at this shit. It's fucking beautiful. So is it retesting this low at the VWAP band and then going to come back down, or is that it? I guess that's it for now. But fuck, look at that. Almost 50 points off of this trend retest. Just tan line retest and 786 retest. You had some confluence there. I mean, you had fucking fuck my life, yo. Fuck my life. And of course, this couldn't come down a little bit lower. Maybe it will. Let me put a fucking stop here. Just keep getting stopped out. Death by 1,000 cuts. Here we go. Coming down lower. What a fucking move. What a fucking move. And all I try to do is get scraps on a bounce that I got bottom ticked out of, and it fucking ended up running through my fucking take profit anyway. Stupid fuck. What a dumb fuck. I also have my order here. Let's see if it bounces here. I moved it down to the 786. It's at the 707. That's where my order was. It's going to bounce because you know why it's going to bounce? Because that's just how shit's going for me right now, tonight and lately. Let's see. $50 points, more than 50 points now. What a fucking move. It's probably going to come within like 5 ticks of filling me and then bounce. How many points was that? 3.25 points so far. Let's see if it holds here and goes up, or it comes down and fills me. Come on. Huh. Fucking serious? Let's go. Get over here. Get your ass over here. Come on. Come on. Fuck you. Are you fucking serious right now? Go eat. Go eat. What are we doing here? Sorry, I can't see the chat right now. Chat. I'll look when I get back upstairs. I'm still got to give this guy his fucking treats. Man, I could have fucking just rolled this fucker down to about here and be like, all right, guys, I'm done for the night with these 4 accounts. But nope. I got to keep, and it's going to hold here. It's going to fucking hold here. I had my order here. Let's see. I don't know. But I had my order here and I moved it down because I don't fucking trust this shit. And I'm about to get played again. Jesus fucking Christ, man. I'm just so fucking annoyed. This shit fucking drives me crazy. At least I did some good things. I'm 1 day away from fucking another $7,200 from these 4 accounts. One more day. How hard can it be to get $150 one more time? And then this one 17's on day 3. These are fucking passed. I just need to get a couple more flip days in. This is officially passed now. This was my last day I needed to trade. I'm over the target on these. These are trade days. These are take profit traders. These are lucids. And then now just floundering with these fucking apexes. Let's see if my son's home. Oh, he's not even home. I thought he was home. What's up? I need some fucking water. Oh, my glasses upstairs. This shit's gonna pop now. I'm not gonna get filled. 3.25 points away. So I bottom ticked myself here. I fucking didn't take this trade that I was literally talking about. If X happened, Y is gonna happen. It does happen, and I don't take the trade. Fucking stupid fuck. You get what you fucking deserve. You know what I'm saying? Totally getting what I fucking deserve for being a pussy. Look at this shit go. What did I say? What did I say? It's gonna fucking look. I'd be fucking in right now. I would be in if I didn't move this shit down. My order was here. 54 just went up fucking 12 points. What the fuck is all this? Where's gold at? Almost a 707 bounce right there. Just missed it. But it still counts. 72 fucking ticks. All for that shit. Fucking so annoyed right now. I'm so fucking aggravated. What a fucking move down. 50-something points. 51 or 52 points down from this tan line. This tan line retest after it breaks it. Comes back up, retests it, and the 786 drops 50 fucking points. I got none of it except for getting stopped out here thinking it was going to bounce off of this little 786 on the shorter time frame. I didn't lose much, but still. And the worst part is I got to, I'm not going to stop trading these accounts until I get what I want. And what I want is a lot more than 125 bucks. What's worse is it's just moving so fucking slow. Robert Gallis, what's good? Menace to Society, bro. That's OG shit. AS, what up, man? Cranston, no problem, man. No problem. At least a couple of people got some money from it, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, what up, Neil? Dave, I was renting. I rented the first two places I lived in here. The last place you remember me being at before here, I rented for 4 years. That place was pretty fucking dope, though. And then the place before that, which I didn't have this channel or anything yet. I was there for 2 years. And then what I'm in now, this double wide, double tall trailer, I bought. Q Bill, what up, man? Yeah, these are the new plans. It's $599 to $602 are the new ones. 561 and 562 are the legacy accounts. I got 2 payouts out of those. I'm working on a third. You're living free in a 5-star hotel till you get kicked out. Nice. Yeah, Coach HID. The wheels look good in chrome or the regular, the polished aluminum, polished alloy or whatever. They look good both. It just depends on the car, like the color of the car. But I've seen the Flint. I got the Flint mica. The Flint micas look good with the silver ones too. I think they call it Hyper Silver. I still have the black one, the black LS430. That's my son's car now, and that's got the Hyper Silver, and it looks good. But this one happened to have the chromies for the homies, and it fucking looks fucking sick. This shit is moving so fucking slow too. It's like torture. It's like watching fucking paint dry. Oh, by the way, if you guys are not hanging out in the best fucking community, here's the link. It's free for now. Fucking lips are dry because I'm fucking dehydrated. Look how slow this shit is not fucking moving, man. Holy fuck. Uh-oh. I can't wait to regret this. Am I not going to get filled? I'm probably going to get filled. Huh, that's interesting. Oh, we got another new hour. Holy fuck. So this was, damn, we already had another whole hour went by. Yeah, QO Bill, the legacy ones, you still follow the old rule set. Yeah, on the legacy ones for sure. Yo, what's up, Ben? Let's make things worse. No problem, Bill. No problemo.
Order filled.
Here we go. What a drop from here, though. 104 to fucking, dude, 60 fucking points off of this tan line retest and 786 rejection. 786 retest for the second time and the tan line retest and rejection. 60 fucking points. I have a feeling I'm going to get fucked. I already know I'm going to get fucked because I should have fucking just taken this. Amazing. I already feel the fucking coming. New hour fuckery. That's just going to flash dump and take me out of everything. Here we go. Maybe it's going to make new lows. I mean, if you look at the larger time frame, I mean, look at this. It just looks like a fucking gigantic fucking bear flag. Can't wait. Take a payout, bro. Take the money, whatever's
Order filled.
When it becomes available. Oh, here we go. We're in 2. Oh, fuck. That could have been a fucking disaster. Let's see if this fucking holds. I lowered the low. I went from this low down to this low, the low a day, and the 786 ended up being here. So I put another order there. Let's see if we get something out of this or if I just get fucked again. Yeah, always take the money, man. I get it though. Is that like the black account or the pro account? Or what are you trading, a flex? I don't know, man. Just take the money, bro. Yep, I'm going to get fucked. I already know I'm going to get fucked. I already fucking know. So I'm going to be down like $400 after having 125 and then fumbling this whole thing, giving this back, getting bottom ticked. It's just like karma, bro. It's karma. The Juju chain. Can this fucking pop though? That'd be cool. Can we fucking pop here? Oh, let me put the take profit in there. All right, let's see. Come on, give me more than that, man. Yeah, Jude, just take the money. What are you up to? Pamela, what's up? Pavan, what's good, bro? Did you do that for real? Oh, I'm saying you're talking about Ben. Yeah, I feel like we've all done it. A lot of us, at least. I've done it before. Always trying to get that little bit of extra and fuck up the accounts. Look, no, I'm not gonna get what I want. I just know I'm gonna get fucked here. New hour fuckery. It's gonna flash down, fucking stop me out, and then probably go back up. It's retesting here. I fucking know. I don't even want to look. Yeah, you got to take the money, man. TL. We're in a fair value gap. And the hourly, yeah. None of that even matters to me. All I look for is the fibs. I could have taken this and I didn't because I wanted more. Because any other time, if I had good energy, if I had the juju on my side tonight, it would have fucking pumped. But because I fucked this up right here, I'm going to get stopped out. It doesn't matter what I do. It's going to be one of those nights where I have a feeling it's just not going to matter what I do. And no matter what I do with these accounts, I'm going to probably end up blowing them. Actually, I can't blow them. I told you guys. Now it's going to bounce. It's fucking amazing. How many times do I fucking know what's going to happen? And I still do it. Dude, whatever. I don't even fucking care. Actually, the most I could go down is $1,000. But I also have trailing against me. So like I was up $160, the peak of the accounts earlier. Yeah, look at me just fucking this up. Let's just hit the daily loss limit for the stream. Let's see if we could do that. Fucking unreal, man. I'm terrible. It's crazy how I was able to make 120 grand in 3 months in payouts when I do shit like this. And then another fucking 26 and then 2 months before that. It's crazy. Am I going to get lucky here? Am I going to get blessed? Can I get blessed here? No. Why would I get fucking blessed? It's not going to happen until after I get taken out. Unbelievable, man. Now I'm fucking annoyed. So fucking stupid. This shit, and it's all started with not taking this right here, this trade. That's where it all fucking went to shit for me. Retesting. Is it going to make new lows here? Yeah. Wow, it's fucking flushing. Look at how many points we dropped. We dropped fucking 80-something points. 80 points. Yeah, let's hit the daily loss limit so I could just fucking stop. That's how I'll stop trading. I'm not even putting a stop in. Let's see how this daily loss limit works on Apex.
Order filled.
All right, I'm done for the day with those. Fucking stupid. I fucking hate myself. What else can I fuck up? There's no daily loss limit on these. None on these. So like I fucking call shit and I do the opposite of what I fucking think is gonna happen. Why do I do that? And I had $125 too. Is this just gonna keep going down? Look at this drop. Oh, now it's gonna bounce. Oh no.
Order filled.
Shit. Oh no. Oh, I went in with 8. Oh boy. What the fuck? Get me the fuck out of this shit. I didn't want to go in with 8. Get me the fuck out. Am I gonna get fucked here too? Probably. When did I have an order for 8? I'm so confused. When did I flip that to 8?
Order filled. Order filled.
Now I'm fucking done. I got these two evals. These are fucking. Now I get to play. Now I get to play fucking CPR on these. I mean, I'm so fucking annoyed. Such poor execution. Look how much it dropped. And of course, like, let me go back to these. Watch this. Watch this. Where was the last? The last I got taken out. I got taken out at 20. So I got bottom ticked again. I ran out of fucking drawdown because of the daily loss limit at fucking 2025. It went down 5 more ticks and then fucking bounced on that last trade. It bounced fucking 20 points. What's crazy is this is like not even that bad because on these, let me show you my Lucids. Great. Watch this. So these 5, well, they were 5, now they're 4, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first payout I got on them, I grew the accounts to 1,200. The most they were like, this was at 1220, 1216, 1206, 1216, and then this was like 1352. So what I was left with after taking that first payout was the other half, right? Because you're allowed to request 50% of your balance from a Lucid Flex. And then I was left with the other half minus $100. So I had 510, 508, 503, 508, 576 worth of drawdown. And I was able to grow the accounts $1,300 or so more dollars. And I was able to I was at 1,800, 1,800. I was left with 800 plus, I was left at 834, 798, 800, 801, and 800. And I was able to, after being down to that much, I got a second payout, and then I was able to grow it even more, and I was left with 1,036. So is it annoying? Like, this is just fucking poor execution on my part. And at this point, I got so fucking fed up that I didn't fucking care. At least I can't blow the accounts. So here's the daily loss limit coming to save me from myself because I'm fucking tilting. I'm not losing my shit like outwardly, but I fucked up so bad. I literally told you guys what could happen here. Let me get rid of all of these. Actually, let me just get rid of that one. Let me get rid of this one. And I got stopped out on my first trade, came back, and a couple trades later, I was up $125. This is going lower. Look at this shit. And I literally said, if we could come up and retest this tan line, and then it could drop lower. And we're down fucking almost 100 points from there. And I fucking fucked it up so bad. That's why I don't walk around calling myself the best fucking trader. Yeah, Jose, how many times, bro? Pamela, yeah. Yeah, GC. But GC, wow, everything is dropping. Don't tell me fucking Zcash is dropping too. You fuck. Because it all moves together. Yeah, it's looking bad now. It's looking really bad. I mean, if I go to the hourly, I mean, I was talking about this earlier. We could come down in the 900s, 920. I said hours ago that we were going to go under 25,000. Jay Styles. Anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I literally said this. 25K. Prepare to go under 25K. That was that was over 4 hours ago. But why would I take my own advice? Why not go short and just hold that shit forever and ever and ever and ever? At least I got another day in on these. At least I got another day in on these. This is my third $50 day since getting my second payout on them. So, is it my third? Hold on. I'm gonna log in and check real quick. I don't know if I'm logged in. I'm so fucking annoyed. All right, let's see. How many fucking $50 days do I have in this one now? And I waited to trade these. It's fucking terrible. What is this level 1 shit? Oh, I see. All right. 561. I am on, so I got my payout here. That was a flip day. No, I got my payout here. Flip, $50 day, $50 day. I barely traded that. So this is my third $50 day. And my biggest day was $393. Actually, now my biggest day, holy shit. Oh, wait, what is that? That's gold. Wow. Yo, look at this shit. Oh, here we are. 25,000. Prepare to go under 25,000. I called it 4 hours ago, guys. You see, guys? So my biggest day now is 467.60. These are legacy accounts divided by 0.3. So I got to grow this shit at least $1,559 to be eligible for a payout, as long as I keep my next days under 467.60. 1559 from where I got paid. Well, let's see. I got 1558. Well, I got 467 plus 66 plus 394. So I need like another $600, and then I'll be eligible for a payout. I just got to get my days in. Let's see if I can get the job done. Who the fuck knows lately the way things have been going? But man, with all that said, I get one more $150 day in on these, and I'm taking $7,200 in my bank account on Friday, and I'll be at $11,729 as long as I get approved on that other Apex payout that's pending that I've been waiting on since last week. This one right here. I'm sure I will. I mean, I'm not worried about it, but it's been a nice little fucking run. I just want to keep it going. But if I'm trading like this, man, I'm not, I literally look at this. I fucking look at that. I drew this shit for a fucking reason. Look at that shit. This shit dropped 120 points now. It went down 120 points from there. Fuck me, bro. Ben, I don't know, bro. I don't feel as good as I did last month in January. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the war shit, the way the market's moving. I saw it. It was right there in front of me. And I still found a way to fuck it up. Look what I did. I fucked it up. I'm stupid. Horrible execution. So whatever. 917. We could extend this even lower to this low, and then you got fucking 833 right here. 833, 875. And then if this shit really wants to fucking flush, this is the last real clear low. And then, man, this shit could come all the way fucking down into the sixes potentially, and the sevens. Carbonite. Yeah, I trade. Bro, it was beautiful. Beautiful. I just got to trust. I got to trust this more. I got to trust myself more. Actually, how could I trust myself? How could I trust myself when I just did this? So stupid. Now I can't even try to get these back. Now also, not that I was ever really going to go for 5 days, payouts in 5 days, because it's tricky with Apex. Although I've done it before in other firms that make you do that. But now I got to like nurse these back. I got to give myself breathing room, you know? So it's going to take a lot more than 5 days. But if I could get, that'll be my new little challenge. Getting these back to respectability and then fucking taking them to a payout. The tan line was fucking money. Look at that shit. I said if it breaks it, it broke it. And I was like, if we retest it, if we can reject off of here and then fucking drop a bunch more. And what does it do? It drops 120 points. Yo, it's a thong. Yeah, it's a string thong right here. My favorite. You guys see the whale tail? I don't see the whale tail. I'm just saying. I'm trying to look for it. Anyway, all right. I'm gonna bounce, guys. I've done enough damage. We did some good things and we did some bad things. I got these up quick, of course. But man, I got out at a good spot. Let me see where I got out. I got out here. It went up another. I got out at 33. I got in with too many. I don't even know how I got in with those. But this shit's going lower. I got in. It went up another like 5 or 6 points, but I didn't want that much because if I would have got all of that, like if I got another 3 or 4 points with fucking 4 minis, that would have been another $300. And instead of having to get 1,500, right? Because I just did the math. Let's say it was a $750 day. I would have to grow these accounts a total of $2,500 from the point of where I got paid, which would just make it harder for me to get another payout. So, anyway. Whatever, we're good. I'm 1 day away from $7,200 getting dumped into my bank account. This is on day 3. These are fucking passed now officially. I don't care about them being red. Doesn't matter. It's passed. They're passed. So I'm gonna have 3 funded end of day trade day accounts. And then these 5 are essentially unofficially passed. They're unofficially passed. I just need to get 2 flip days in. Basically, the next 2 flip days, just don't lose fucking like more than $12 or $13 and I'll be good. And then, you know, this I'm waiting on my payout to be approved. And then these are fucked for now, temporarily, hopefully. So I guess the rest of the day I'm gonna fucking see if I can pass some more evals. I got these 2. I'm gonna grab some more because 50K evals, 50K intradays are only are less than $20. They're like $19.70 with the best fucking code 0DJ. But whatever. It is what it is. Anyway, guys, if you want to hang out in the best community, hey, thank you, man. Thank you, Wrecking Crew. I appreciate that. I appreciate the support, man. Yeah, Ben, I'm good, bro. I mean, I'm just noticing a pattern right now. I'm noticing a pattern. I'm not going against like my initial gut feeling. This was my gut feeling what happened here, and I fucking I called it before the last trades. I was like, watch, I have bad juju now for not executing on this. But whatever. It is what it is. Sparta Nick, what's good, man? What's going on? Do I know if Tape Propaganda can deny a Pro Plus? Like not let you go not let you go Pro Plus? I've been hearing rumblings about something along those lines, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I haven't. They revamped their whole Pro Plus plan, and it might be like a new trend with them. Yo, you went 6 months. Yo, you basically broke the cycle, and this is your first payout in 6 months, Ben. I mean, Nick, I don't know. Like, you don't trade your shit like a total fucking degen, do you? I feel like you're a responsible trader, from what I've gathered on shit you shared. Yeah, so Ben, bro, that's great. You broke the seal. You fucking got out from under the rut you were in, and now it's only up from here. Like I don't know. Like I can't make any guarantees, but I have a feeling it's going to take you a lot less than 6 months to get your next payout, bro. I believe that wholeheartedly. You got 9 funded accounts to the buffer as well, bro. You're fucking good, bro. The floodgates are opening for you. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Keep us posted though. I saw you. I just saw you post something about that in the Discord. Keep us posted because I'm curious. I'm curious. The landscape is changing. Look what Apex just did with Brian Stank. They said, "Get the fuck out of here," because he portrayed himself a lot differently than what he was doing behind the scenes. That was the biggest issue. Man, I'm happy for you, bro. I really am. And I'm glad, like, you know, even when I fuck up like this and you see me blowing all my shit, like, I'm glad I'm able to serve as some sort of motivation to help you keep pushing forward, because I could have quit so many fucking times with how my trajectory was. So I'm really happy that somehow I've helped you, if just by continuing to keep pushing forward. But anyway, anybody who's not in the Discord, you should join. It's free. It's the best fucking community. What's going on here? What's going on here? What's going on here? I'm such a degenerate. Interesting. If you got to grab accounts at Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Bull and Ox, Lucid, My Fund the Futures, use the best code 0DayJ if you want to support the channel. Thanks again, Wrecking Crew, for hitting that fucking super chat. I really appreciate it. All the money that comes in from like super chats, I put it towards giving away accounts. So that will definitely be, it's in the fucking hat for the next giveaway. Although I'm giving away 5 Lucid accounts on Friday if I can get the job done. Anyway, I gotta go. It's past my curfew. I haven't gotten yelled at yet. I'm not being super loud tonight, but I know my voice carries anyway. So I will talk to you guys soon. Hell yeah, the DJ, yeah, I'm telling you, the best fucking community. It's not even a joke. It's fucking for reals. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I'll be hanging out in the Discord if I'm around. Like if I'm around and I'm trading, I'll be hanging out in there. I always do. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your night. Thanks again. Peace.